up, everybody? Ford Tech Steve. Week 2 update on the Mustang. We have a bunch of parts. We have roughly 50 days to make these parts a working race car. So we're gonna do some unboxing today.
So I'm here with Steven today. He's gonna open up all these small boxes first. We're gonna see what we've got inside.
Well, we already know.
Right, we know. You guys don't know though.
Well, let's be honest. Right here's all we need.
What is it?
We got at least 10 horsepower there because there's 2 stickers.
That's fair, yeah. Stickers are always good. I bet we got a billion stickers coming our way. I do believe that's your crank bolt and crank bolt washer, huh?
I thought this was the stuff we were waiting on until Monday.
Well, I think the Moroso oil pump is coming Monday.
Okay, so crank washer.
Crank
that
washer.
Is a big box for a washer.
Yeah, I think they overthought that.
So, crank bolt.
There's 2. There's 1 box out of the way.
This one's a little heavier.
They staple that one, is that because it's heavy?
Oh, this is like a box that was supposed to be. They got that.
Box within a box.
Oil pump that you thought would be here tomorrow.
Well, maybe everything's just here, dude. I don't know. I'm
Did
fine.
you not look at the website?
I haven't been back on the tracking. I was too busy dealing with race car stuff last night on that live feed, and yeah, man, it was. I just send it and pay for it.
It's kind of nice having the parts just show up.
There should be a maybe that's the manual rack that I ordered for it that's coming Monday.
Yep. This is the oil pump, right?
Nice high flow oil pump from Moroso. Got a couple more stickers. Got some Moroso stickers, but they're damaged.
Yeah, they're damaged. So Moroso, send us some new stickers.
Yeah, we need some new ones.
What is this that wasn't supposed to be here yet?
I don't know. Oddly enough, this kind of feels like your parents filming you on Christmas opening presents.
Yay!
It's the only experience I can relate this to, because this is our first parts unboxing.
I think we're just going to load this car up with Summit stickers.
Yeah, it does have.
Actually, you know what? I haven't ordered the wrap yet, so we're not going to wrap it. We're just going to put stickers all over it.
Oh, that's cool.
So this is our fastener kit. This will have basically all the bolts we'll need for them descending, since there was none.
Fair.
So we'll be good there.
Hardware.
We're on to the big box. Any guesses?
Electric water pump and a bunch of other stuff. Like there should be some metal gaskets in there too, I think. All right. Big old box.
Should be an oil pan in here, which that is this big box.
Oh yeah, I did order an oil pan. I forgot about that one. And I ordered like 14 different things. I forgot what I ordered.
All right, got our head studs.
Nice ARPs.
Okay, timing set from Summit. So that'll be a pretty nice little kit.
Yeah, those are nice. Real pretty.
Little double roller. That is the cam bolt.
For the cam, we have no idea we have yet. We don't know what
Yeah,
yet.
we don't have one.
We gotta figure that out still yet. Do a little math, talk to comp. We're not gonna use the
oil pan gasket. It's actually Ford Performance.
Okay. One piece, no cork.
Yeah, I'm not fighting cork. Not again. Any guesses? Dowel pins.
We needed some of those.
So there's a fresh set of those. There was only one in that block when we got it. All right, we got our head gaskets.
Metal.
Valve cover gaskets.
Nice.
Reusable, so we're not using cork cover either. Oh yeah, those are some thick rubber. Check those out.
Yeah, those are pretty thick, dude. Those are like 1/8 of an inch thick.
I think these were metal reinforced, so they should last.
That's what we need.
Okay, here's our electric water pump.
Nice. That's a Summit electric water pump, I'm pretty sure. Have pretty good reviews on it.
So once we get closer, we'll have an electric, we'll have an electric fan and everything as well.
Yes.
That way between runs, we turn this on and let it sit there and cool off. Some accessories.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah.
That's real nice.
Blue go with the Ford blue.
Perfect.
Which we still need to repaint the block, so
Alright.
that'll be pretty awesome.
Last item. We got our nice Foxbody swap 351 oil pan.
Yeah.
We were going to get that zinc coated one, but this was just a little bit cheaper. We got to save money any way we can on this thing.
Dipstick. Like that.
Clean. It's got a billet knob. That's great.
So that actually throw it in the block.
You've already had some experience with this one on Tyler's.
This one was different. That was the. I don't think it was the
Low car.
Yeah, it was the. This is not good.
But I don't think that anyone else sold one by themselves that was nice like that, that was flexible. Pickup.
Pickup too.
I love new stuff.
Of course, that'll go on there and we'll never see it again.
Nope. Hopefully. Fingers crossed.
Well, hopefully, if we see it again, it's because we're getting ready to put a
Coyote. Sweet. Nice. That's a big one. What is that, like 7 or 8 quart?
No, it's supposed to be 5 still.
5 really?
Yeah, it's still supposed to be 5.
Yeah.
So they actually
Maybe.
have it set up so that stick will actually thread right in there.
Oh, that's huge.
So that's
Let me get a good look at that.
That's a pretty neat little setup, actually.
Nice little setup. You're right.
I like that. There's the way it's set up.
Do we need a windage tray?
I think we technically do, but we might have to get one.
Okay.
It does have the dual drain plugs too.
That's pretty awesome.
So it'll cross through that cross member.
That's awesome.
Comes with all the hardware and everything in here.
Thanks, Summit. We appreciate you sending us an awesome load of parts. Now we can actually make some progress on the car beyond looking at it and disassembling things.
Yeah. Once we get the cam, that engine will go together.
All right, Steve. So your dad was Michelangelo on the bodywork here with the hammer and dolly. Let's show these people what he did.
Yeah, anybody that actually saw the before pictures, I mean, this whole thing was crushed in pretty good. It's not perfect. It's going to get smoothed out with some Bondo.
Pretty factory though.
It is a race car, so obviously it doesn't need to be perfect. But this actually does line up pretty good now. Once the screw's in there holding that down, it'll be pretty close. There's a little gap at the bottom that we need to work on, but it almost looks like nothing happened in the back, in the inside of the car. I did start smoothing this up a little bit. Dad did more hammer and dolly work through here. There was actually a pretty significant dent right there. So, still working on getting some of this out of here. This was kind of an experiment.
We're going to smooth everything out, clean it up, get it primered, so when the wrap goes on, everything looks really smooth. But we're not in a hurry to wrap the car right away. We're just trying to get this thing running and driving for our event. And then we'll probably worry about the cosmetics when we get back.
I think so. It's going to make more sense.
So we're out here in Steven's new truck. We just shot some footage for you guys to take a good look at it with the drone.
Don't mind the fact that it's dirty. This is how we found it.
Right. Went down to Cincinnati, what was it, Friday?
Thursday to look at it, Friday to pick it up.
This truck's nice. 2006 F350, 8-foot bed, extended cab. So Steven's got some nice plans for it. He's got a bunch of lights ordered, and he's gonna do a bunch of work to this truck. We're gonna use it to tow the race car, hopefully. So we appreciate everybody watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for next week's update. We got more coming your way. We appreciate everybody's support.
Thanks for watching.
A few moments later.
So we show back up to the house after filming the truck, and we get a notification there's another box that's been delivered. What we got, Steven?
Manual steering rack. It's here.
Nice. It's not name brand. I bought some stuff off of eBay, but it had really good reviews, so we just got to put our own tie rod ends and stuff on it, from what I understand.
That's why it's box in box, because this box didn't last.
Oh,
This
yeah.
is an eBay box.
Yeah, that ain't good. One of the tie rods freaking ends is sticking out of the damn box.
Ooh, look at that.
Well, that's pretty. Nice, dude. Manuel. Good old Manuel rack.
So, we might need some bushings, but I think we'll do it.
Heck yeah, man. One more part.
Oh, I like that. So you can do that one-handed.
Yeah, dude, that doesn't weigh anything. I bet we saved 20 or 30 pounds off the front of the car.
I'll check that out and take that off. Now I can say that we're done with the video for the day. Thanks for watching.